The carbon footprint of plastics covers its entire life cycle. Raw material extraction. The extraction of petroleum consumes vast amounts of energy. Manufacturing process. The production process relies heavily on fossil fuels for heating and power. Transportation and distribution. Diesel-powered trucks and ships continuously emit greenhouse gases. Consumption fades. While emissions at this stage are minimal, the rampant use of single-use plastics accelerates the production cycle. Waste disposal. Incineration directly releases carbon dioxide. Landfilling obstructs resource regeneration, and unmanaged plastic waste often leads to uncontrolled open burning, causing additional emissions. Beston's pyrolysis with ISCC certification breaks the cycle. By converting waste plastics into pyrolysis oil in an oxygen-free, low-temperature environment, it directly tackles the three core sources of carbon emissions. Substitute for high-carbon raw material extraction, pyrolysisoil, as a recycled chemical feedstock, reduces emissions from petroleum extraction and refining. Reconstructing waste management. Carbon elements are locked in the oil, delaying their release, while combustible gases are controlled to prevent methane leakage. Reducing production energy consumption. The combustible gases are used for self-sustained energy supply, reducing dependency on fossil fuels. Pyrolysis makes every gram of carbon footprint traceable and reducible.